that clearance under there for the frame to swing. The motor won't come that high. The motor will sort of stop no more than that. But the frame now will be able to come in from underneath there. So that'll clear that. Winning slowly. There we go. We have the engine mounts in. The engine is all hanging. Moves on the mounts down there. Then we have the top of the swing frame. We're going to put a mount down there to attach it to the motor. And then we've got to build the rest of the frame in underneath the motor. Nothing's fully welded yet, it's only all tacked into place. The motor's actually hanging in place. Top part of the frame on, get the bottom part of the frame on, the rear end, shockies, and it'll have back wheels. Still a long way to go. Now we've got to put a hanger in off of that mount there onto the frame to lock him in place, which is, I don't know if you can see them, there's one there and the other one there, one on either side. They will go down like that and clamped on. That'll support the frame just there onto the motor, and then the whole lot will swing together. Coming along slowly. Mounted in there, just got to weld them in now. Everything's only getting tacked at the moment. Once it's all worked out and all the framework's built, the whole thing will come out, and along with the rest of the bike everything will get fully welded. Then the whole machine will get sandblasted and painted. Be ready for a competition, guys. Start thinking. I'm looking for a name. I want to know what to call this thing. Haven't decided what the prize is going to be yet, but I'm getting close to 100 subs, so thought we might have a competition and we'll see what we can come up with. So people, get your thinking caps on. See what sort of name you can come up for this beastie. And it is going to be a beastie. Give us a bit of information so you've got something to work with. It's going to be painted black. It is going to have some graphics on it. Maybe some flames and skulls. And we have an ornament that is going to mount on the front of it. See what you can come up with. There you go. Lift the frame. The motor lifts with the frame. All your suspension will be mounted onto this so that everything works together. There you go, guys. All the back end is now assembled. Swinging frame, suspension and axle and everything gets mounted off of that. The whole thing swivels with the motor. Axle gets mounted under there. A little bit more work to do yet, it's all going to be fully welded. Daggy tacks on it at the moment. There's another step closer. The next couple of days we'll have some suspension on there. do side panels and some gusseting. Bit more framework around this side. Basically, there she is.